What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. It's really nice outside today. Really nice. I'm on the back porch. I got a package in the mail yesterday. I ordered a universal harness for my Nova. Took it out the box. I'll show y'all. Got some wire loom and all that little good stuff. Let me go to the garage. I gotta move my truck so I can turn the car around so I can actually work on the car. Open this garage up. Got all kind of goodies, y'all. I actually bought another. Radiator, chrome radiator. Well, not chrome, but aluminum. Nice new aluminum radiator in here. Whenever I decide to put it in there. Okay, we're gonna get this, pull this Nova out, turn it around. That way I have a little more room to work with. And we're gonna clean this back workbench off. I'll finally clean this off and work over here. We got plenty light. I'll just turn these lights on. Okay, y'all give me a second. Let me get this started up. And we'll move this out the way first. Get this started and turn it around. Wiring. So it's a process, one step at a time, right? So all of this is going to be going, well, the chassis harness. All of this shit that's coming out that grommet down there. Everything that's coming out of there, I'm removing. So kind of neating up some of these wires. All of this right here is going. I'm eliminating all this and putting the actual LS truck plenum back on here. Removing the sniper, that'll be for sale soon. Okay, y'all, let me get this out the way. Shit for the start right up. Close this hood. I got some extra wire loom down there. Okay. Let's see what's going on here, guys. See if it'll start up. Uh-oh. No more parasitic draw. Okay. Started, y'all. Alright, let me turn it around. Alright, y'all, a lot of squirrels in here. Like ease this thing on out. Trying to hurt nothing. clean up all these wires, man. Look at all this. It's a mess, man. It's a real big mess. It was like that when I got the car, so it's not my fault. Let's kind of position this back in here. Let me do some cleaning up before I put it back. All right, y'all, I tightened up the ground in my garage. It's a 2-car garage. But I gotta clean this side, and this side is pretty much got enough room to work. And I got a bench with some storage space. So I'm gonna kind of clean this bench off as I'm working, so I can work. Those original Nova tires right there. Didn't get rid of those. I'm gonna get my son out here one of these days to help me. Oh, I got a rack for my shop tiles. Let me put that up there right now so I won't forget. Let me give y'all one good walk around before I park it. For those that just tuning in, appreciate it if y'all like, share, subscribe. I'm trying to get subscribers, you know. Maybe I can do some more great things with the channel, get some subscribers. So I'll be doing a lot of work on this vehicle. I'll be putting from steering and suspension and to motor work to electrical work, and I'm going to film it all. All right, this one last walk around before I put it back up. And for the next couple of weeks, you'll be seeing wires. Me working on wires, me running wires, and all of that old good shit. Let me get my shop towels out of there so I can put that up. They do spin. I'm gonna put a posi in here too. As I progress in school, the progress with this car will be happening. So the further along in school, the further along the car. Every class I'll be doing something with this car. Put that down for a second. Put my shop rag in here, man. That look good, don't it, man? Now I got my hands get dirty. I got something to wipe my hands with. Let me turn around. I hate pulling from the top. When you pull it from the top, it kind of rips up the paper. All right, let me clean this up. First, let me pull this Nova in, then we're gonna clean it up. Then I'll see where I can start removing all this wires, the old wires. I'm gonna get a new hood, by the way. Takes time, guys. Can't do this overnight. I pulled the front seat pull that out. Or do I need to pull it out? I'm not sure. I might just go ahead and pull the front seat out. Let's see. Okay, we got enough room to work. Got enough space through here. Okay. Let's see. All right, we got it somewhat clear down here where I can work. Got some shelving up here. Got my son putting this stuff over there. So let me get the where's the harness at? Where's my harness? Go get my harness off the thing over there. Should be a harness, a book bag. Where's, oh, here we go. Bring this book bag over here. Let me pull it out so I can lay it on the bench. Okay, hold it. Alright. This is some what they call this? This is wire loom harness. It's wire loom harness. I'm gonna sit this right here. This is the universal harness. You guys that I got. It's pretty simple, plug and play. Everything is all labeled and everything. Since I've been in school, I feel pretty confident that I can do this at home. Seems pretty easy. Got everything I need. Even got a book to go back to and reference the circuits and stuff like that, and how circuits work, ohms and all that stuff. And I got some more extra goodies in here. Got some instructions, some more wire loom. We got some wire conduit, whatever they call it. Loom. Got loom over here. Got your nice wires. Okay, go ahead and finish putting that up. Try to organize this garage so I can work, man. I'm just throwing shit everywhere myself. Trying to show you guys this engine bay. See what I'm up against to get. Okay. Alright guys. All these wires is coming in through here. So like I said, man, I'm gonna probably start tomorrow afternoon and just start pulling all the wires off the like the starter wire and all the wires from off the alternator and pulling those out. I'm gonna try not to cut as much as I can, and I'll be filming everything step by step. All right, I guess I'm gonna wrap this up, man. I went to Harbor Freight, grabbed some tools, some electrical stuff so I can get this work done. I'm going here. At least I can try to get the seat out today, man. Let me see. All right, let me see if one of them sockets gonna fit. Here, put this on top of the bench. I'm looking for these two things. See if one of these will fit that. All right, YouTube. This is what I'm got done so far. Just breaking it down little by little. Took the steering wheel off. Pulling the dash out now. And Look at that. Let's see what else we got left here. Something's caught on over here. See if that'll go in. Okay, YouTube. That's what we got done so far. All I gotta do is just carefully remove all of these. I'm gonna save all my connectors and everything. This don't seem too hard to do. So then I'm gonna hook this Dakota Digital up the right way. I'm gonna go over all of those wires as well. Carefully pull all that stuff loose. And I don't even really know what the heck this is, man. So yeah, what is this? I'm gonna save these too. These bulbs. Never know what I might need those for. Good time to do a dash swap while I'm here, right? Oh, there goes some speakers. That's a speaker right there. I can put a speaker. I don't even know if that thing works. Didn't know it was a speaker there. But we gonna call it quits. Appreciate y'all watching, man, and we gonna get this Nova right. Peace. Get this done, y'all.